Whew.
John just ate some gross cheese things.
And they're supposed to be like gourmet. Like, I feel like I need to shave my tongue. It's so bad.
I have a tongue scraper.
No!
It's really good for you. It's called Ayurveda.
Ah, stop it! Hey, there's certain things that make Haley sick. That right? Alright, Q&A day! I'm John!
I'm Haley!
I'm gonna throw up! So we got a question from Bebo23. Dang! If at all, how do potential chemicals within potable water affect concrete? Would high sulfur content or any other minerals affect concrete? Absolutely. I think if we look at sustainability of concrete, we would rather use non-potable water or reclaimed water more than potable water, or is it potable?
I don't know.
Then, we don't want to use water that we can use for drinking.
Sure.
That's hard enough to get as it is, and we don't necessarily need to use that for concrete. Is that a fair assessment?
Right.
That being said, the nastier the water that we put into the concrete, if it's got sulfurs in it, if it's got chlorides in it, if it's got soluble earth alkali metals.
Setting you up for attacks.
And that's the thing. I understand that we're trying to put not a material, I'm not necessarily saying we take our Avion or our Mountain Spring Valley waters, which are awesome, and put it into the concrete. We don't need to do that. But at the same time, we can't put something that's going to create a deleterious environment into our concrete.
Sure. That being said, are there minerals or things in water that could be beneficial for concrete? Like if we used recycled vegetable wash water.
I don't know about that. See, the question is what is the chemistry of it? So whatever, and it's going to depend from organic farm to, Roundup. It really just depends. Now, are there chemicals that you can add to the concrete that are going to make it more resilient? And I think there's a yes. Mm-hmm. Nanosilica, SCMs. Again, it really depends on the chemistry that you're adding to it. But yeah, you could. You could use pretty nasty waters. You just have to be cognizant of it, and you have to do the trial batches. And anything we do in the concrete industry, good concrete practices dictate that we try it out ahead of time before we execute it to the field. Didn't need to do that.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ring that bell for notifications. Go, go, great!
I'm not going to be part of this.
Beat asphalt.
Beat asphalt.